Welcome to Jessi FIT Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as we strengthen, stretch, and smile. If you're here, it's day 3 of my 7-day Beginner Pilates challenge. If you're looking to transform your core, sculpt, and stretch your body in just 7 days, you're in the right place. Beginner band workout. I've got a loop band. Remember, no loop. Grab an old pair of leggings and tie them around your legs, or just grab a long band and tie it around your legs. We're going to start with the band around our thighs, so just step into it and bring it somewhere between your knees and your hips. It might bunch up, just kind of deal with it. It won't kill you, I promise. It'll bunch you. Remove any twigs from underneath your mat. And let's just go ahead and lay on your back. Arms are going to be at your sides, and just flatten and arch your back. And then flatten your back and lift your tailbone and your hips up. You can squeeze those shoulder blades together. Make sure your feet are parallel, meaning toes all facing in the same directions, abs in. Hold it there and then roll down one vertebra at a time. So upper back touches the mat, middle back. Finally, lower back, and I want you to drop your tailbone and come to that neutral before you flatten and lift. Make sure your weight is on your shoulders and your ribs, not on your neck. Notice I can lift my head. You don't need to lift your head, but you can. And push into your big toes and your pinkies evenly. Roll that spine down, and then inhale, roll up. Now, you don't have to go up as high as me if that hurts your back. And try to press evenly into your right and your left foot. That's the hard part. Flatten, lift, lower, neutral. Flatten, lift, and lower through neutral. Hold it up there. Just pause for a second and little pulses. Up, 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 up. Up. Roll your spine down with control, and from there I'm going to have us sit on up, and we're going to do a few roll downs. You can have your hands here. That'll be a little harder. This will be a little easier. Rolling back and lifting up. My heels are pressing down, taking it back and up. A bug just landed on me, and take it back. Exhale and inhale. Now, maybe we can reach the hands forward, hold it, bring them up, forward, up. So go back, reach, right? Keep your spine still, keep your feet still, forward, up. A few more, back, reach, forward, up again, back. Now hold it here and try a few toe taps. Lift. Lift, or really heel taps. Lift, lift, lift for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, right from there, let's just lay back for a second. Take your hands behind the nape of the neck, come to that neutral spine, and see if you can stretch your legs up. I just want you to open and bend. You can have the knees a little bent if that feels better. That'll really give those hamstrings a little bit of work. So open, release. My tailbone is down, my spine is neutral, my abs are hollow. Open, open, open. And you can pause for just a second. Remember, I'm beginners. Now see if you can hold it. Crunch as you open, release. Crunch as you open, release. Crunch, release. Crunch, release. Now hold it, just pulse those thighs. Open, 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 open. Bring it on in. You can rest your feet down, your knees down, and then bring it on in. I'm going to turn to my side, lay on my elbow today, and use that top arm to support me. I'm going to bend my bottom leg in, and today I'm going to stretch that top leg up and have it in line with my hip. I'm going to raise and lower. Shoulder is right over my elbow, and I really want to feel this here. This leg is supporting me. This hip is still, right? Lift, lower. I'm reaching the leg long. Lift. Now hold it, pulse it up, 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 up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring it on in for just a second, slide it on back and come on up and just take a little bit of a twisted stretch here. Bring your knees and your feet on in and slide on over to the other side, right? So bend that elbow down. Bring your shoulder above the elbow, draw your abs in. You'll extend that top leg out and you'll raise it up against the band, lower. Notice everything from here to about here is still, right? Lift, lift, lift. 4 more. Belly's in tight. 3, you're hollowing out that waistline. 2, my mat's blowing away. We gotta pulse it. Take it up, 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 and up. Now from here, our glute should be nice and warm. I'm just gonna bring us onto our hands and knees for a second. We're gonna slide out of here carefully. And we're going to bring this. So I'm going to show you the side view. Bring your tailbone forward, and I want you to take the band in between the hands. Draw your shoulders back and open the band. Open the band. Open the band. You'll really feel your rotators going. Open, open, open. Now draw one in, 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 and in. Now hold it here. See if you can come into a lunge position, square off your hips, and just come back to that band position. Open, 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 open. Now shift your weight forward, come into a kneeling lunge. Open the band, open the band, open the band, open the band. Bring it down again. Switch to the other side. Bring the other knee down and just switch it. Switch it. Switch it. Switch it. Switch it. Keep those shoulders back. Now flex that bottom foot. See if you can lift and go back to those opens, 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 opens. Now weight comes to that front leg. You're gonna bring one leg in, back, in, back, in, back. You can always hold something in front of you like a chair, but for our next trick, we're gonna take the band back to our ankles, reach down into that squat, step it out and in, out and in. Actually, bring the band up against your thighs again. Hold your arms here. You can hold the knees, reach it out and in. Alternating those legs, drawing those abs, and really just keeping that front knee over the front ankle, keeping that front heel down. Now hold one leg back. We're gonna pulse that front leg down, down, down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch it out, hold it, stay right over it, pulse down, 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 bending it, bend it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a seat. Let's stretch out those glutes. One knee stacks over the other and stretch it on forward, up, and forward, up, forward, up. Change the leg that's on top. Forward and up, forward and up. A few more. See you soon. I'm not sure what day it is as of filming. I haven't put these all together. Beginner band Pilates workout.